Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my today's trade and based on the candlestick as well as advanced option strategy. We booked such a good profit, but that video will tell you or the stocks will tell you the stock selection, because today market is entirely down more than 1.5% in Nifty, but most of the trades we have booked profit in call options. So that is what the important on that video. So how the stock selection and how the thing will work for an intraday as well as positional trade. We took the escort by yesterday. I think I already shared you about escort. I told you the charts. I think we discussed about it is an inside out candle. I think few days back I have updated this. So now it breaks this today's high and it went up to maximum of 1989. It's a huge, and also it forms a open low today. A lot of people who are trying to find out open low candles. So here the open low and previous the strength of the candle and previous pattern in this chart that was working better, but even I was exited earlier because overall market is down. We got a fear if the stock is even going down also what we can do. So I exited earlier, but 10,000 is a good amount, so I invested around 40,000 on this particular option, around 82 550 rupees. I think the lot size for the stock almost 45,000, where I get a more than 20% in within 2 days. It's good enough to make profit. So the good profit where I gained in 2 days. So I exited out. After my exit, this is not taken by today. It is my positional trade where I'm holding from yesterday. I already told you it's my positional. I'm not waiting taken a positional today, and around 82 by yesterday, and it opened by lower, but I seen the charts and other things, it's showing you some good. So from today we booked around 102, so make 10,900 profit, but it went huge of 180. I missed, but today market is around 1.5% or 270 point negative in Nifty, and Bank Nifty is around 730 points were negative. So this way, this is the reason why I'm making this video is about the stock selection. Always good and best would give you some better chances to make money. And the second one which I made profit the same day by positional. Yesterday I took the BEL. That is also which I've taken, and I disclosed my yesterday's video. I have holding a call option in BEL. Let's look at this. Here is the pattern and bullish harami. Here this is what bullish harami pattern where 300 is the entry point. Yesterday I took position, but today Nifty not performed on bank. Overall market is negative, but these stocks are performed well and generate you the profit. But even this is also giving you even after my exit, this is also moving well. 300 call. After my exit, it went up to somewhere around 20 rupees. I exited earlier around 18.5. Overall market is gap down today, almost 300 points down. How we can believe my call option will give you profit? But I keep wait patiently, and finally that option also generating me a profit of almost 7,500 rupees in BEL chart. Let's look at this. This is the pattern, or this is what a hammer candle. So where we are making hammer candle, and we discussed about a lot of stocks by yesterday, but most of the stocks we cannot get an opportunity because of all the stocks open gap lower, gap down. So this was another trade which we have booked a profit on that one. So that is also nice trade we are done with the positional basis as per advanced option strategy. If anyone who want to join that advanced option strategy, you can also learn. It's about a 5 days duration session and one-to-one. So you can also take that session and you can join. You can earn like this. And another stock which I have taken today is nothing about another one positional, Tata Chemical. But this is not a positional where I took today. It's intraday. But as I take, it's for a positional. The trade which I taken for a positional Tata Chemical around 1100 call option. I bought around 40. Let's look at this. This is my entry price, and I have exited by 53, 13,500, which gained an intraday. But this trade was taken for a positional. So 40,000 investment made at 13,000 is around 30% return on the same day. Is good enough. But after that, I exited 53. It went up to somewhere around 72.2 closed. Huge benefit I missed out, but I'm following some rules where I made a good profit on intraday basis. I'm going to exit. Let's look at this chart of that particular stock of Tata Chemical. Chemical, what happened on the Tata Chemical? That is on the yesterday we discussed about doji on Tata Chemical, but previous day it is a candle forms 𝐿𝐵𝐻 bearish. We discussed about the stock about 𝐿𝐵𝐻. That is what a very important candle 𝐿𝐵𝐻. So that is giving you such a good reason. But it started by open low around 1051 today. Open equal to low, right? 1051, which made me huge benefit, almost. So 30% return were I made in today itself in intraday, but the trade was taken for a positional purpose, but it generated a good profit. Why we can wait? So we booked a profit. So this is what another trade positionally we done 3 trades, and that was we are ending with a good profit. And finally intraday, that was the course we contacted intraday options, intraday options with the straddle and the strangle. That course, based on that course, where we did that RBL bank 120 call option today I took. So many more people who have made a profit on RBL bank. So bought, it's an intraday, pure intraday call. So it's not about a positional. It's a purely intraday call based on that class we conducted intraday. This is what a purely an intraday calls. This one, and I tried an intraday which is 5,000 generated the profit based on that intraday and future option scalping course. That is also working well today. And the second one which we have done in India Housing Finance, I think that is also an intraday where we booked around 4,000. Just intraday we are not holding for a bigger profit, so 5,000, 4,000, 2,000. So how to make 2,000 to 5,000 rupees profit in intraday based on that strategy which we contacted. So that is what another profit we booked on India Housing Finance. These two trades on RBL and India Housing Finance were booked by intraday strategy. And let's look at that about the Tata Chemical we've seen. And Chola, that another one we booked a profit in BEL. That also BEL chart. Look at this BEL chart. That is also works good. The Harami candle where it is present, and it was giving you nice result. But about RBL and in this India Housing Finance we did by intraday strategy. That is sort of ORB strategy, which is giving you some good result. But most of the trades are in call. Why? Every stocks were open gap lower. And let's look at escorts. That was huge move, big, and started by gap down, and not gap down, it started by lower, and it is keep on increasing. And let's we discussed about Nifty on last video. Let's look at this is what area where we are going to find out. But unfortunately we didn't get an entry, but it is a gap lower. And Bank Nifty also we discussed about, we marked the level for yesterday. That is a today's trade session we can focus this for opportunity. I find out. So finally it fallen down, gap down. So this is the reason where we are using the candlesticks pattern that was working well on intraday and positional basis. I hope you understand. So if anyone who interested to learn my advanced strategy, you can contact me. So you can also learn intraday options course. Now I started that intraday premier course by 1-to-1. So you can also take 1-to-1 intraday course. The charges for that is around 5,000 rupees. You can also join with me. So here I'm not going to fix on the day. I'm going to start with the 1-to-1. So if you are interested, you can also join with me. So 1 hour to 2 hour course that we can focus for it. intraday. And positional option strategy, you know, I'm updating on my Telegram channel. So if you want, you can, you will, right? So that's about this video, and a lot of scanners and screeners we are making. And today I seen some other scanners. That way I'm going to create some scanner, maybe helping you to uh, help you us. So thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. And thanks for my all subscribers, those who are reaching nearby 8,000 plus subscribers right now. Thanks for your rocking support. Thank you so much. Thanks for your support with me. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.